Hi, what's going on? My name is Anant. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete WhiteLabel SaaS checklist for GlideCampaign so that you have an idea of what's coming next in this video series. So we will first start with customizing the branding, where we'll change the name, we'll put your logo, we'll put your email, we'll put your social handles and the colors that you have chosen, right? Then we'll come to the custom domain. So we'll replace app.glidecampaign.com with app.yourdomain.com so that the user never gets to know that they are using GlideCampaign behind the scene. Then third is we will connect the domain with a pre-built landing page that we've created for you. You don't have to build it from scratch, although you can customize it however you want. But basically what you need to do to get started is just connect that domain with the pre-built landing page and you're ready to go. Then the fourth thing is we will create a custom roles and permissions so that we can give limited access to our customers based on the packages that they're choosing. And we can create as many roles and permissions as we want. And then the next part would be creating the packages which we are going to associate with the roles and permission, again, based on whatever packages that our customers are choosing. So we'll work on creating custom packages, and here we are not limited to the number of packages that we can create or the amount of credits that we can offer for any specific feature. This is completely customizable. You are the god and you can charge your customers however you want. This we'll discuss in the upcoming video series. Next part would be integrating your payment gateway. So we'll try to integrate Stripe, but you can integrate other payment gateway as well, for example PayPal or all the other available options that we have. But for the sake of this video, we will take Stripe as an example for the integration part of payment gateway. Now the next part would be setting up your white label support docs. So we have already created a white label support docs so that you don't have to. You just need to connect that white label support docs with your landing page so that you're ready to go and your customers can go through the support docs whenever they are stuck. The next part would be setting up your AI chatbot to handle your customer support queries. So we will train the AI chatbot on top of the white label support docs that we've created for you so that when a customer have any question about the SaaS platform, they can easily get an answer using the AI chatbot that you have installed in your system. The ninth part would be onboarding your SaaS clients. We will try onboarding your SaaS client in multiple different ways, like how can you manually create a client or how can you onboard them through a form or other ways. Then how would you manage the sub account, change a couple of things, reset their password, change their roles and permissions, change their packages, and have a complete overview of what they are doing. All of these things will be covered in managing the sub account. And the last part would be blueprints or snapshot, which can be then packaged with packages. So here you can, along with the software, you can sell your expertise, where you're not just giving your SaaS, but you're also giving them your expertise of landing page that you've created or the automation funnel that you have created or the forms that you have created for your clients. All of this can be packaged with the packages based on whatever pricing package they are choosing. So let's say if your client is choosing the real estate package that you've created, then you have the pre-built website and the sales funnel and the forms ready for your client. So that will be automatically installed in their system based on whatever package they have chosen, right? So it's a very interesting thing. And we'll talk about blueprint in depth once we come to that part of the video. Feel free to skip to the video if you've already done the custom branding part or if you've already connected the custom domain, but we'll go one by one on the upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.